In today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a free USPS pickup from your home so that you don't need to run to the post office daily to drop off your packages. You can simply schedule a free pickup from your home to get the packages picked up. So let's get into it. First of all, we are going to open the website of USPS. Here you can register or sign in to your account so that every time you schedule a pickup, you don't need to add in your details. But if you don't want to do that, you can still schedule a pickup. You're going to bring it to send, schedule a pickup. And then here you can add in the details of your first name, last name, and the address you want the packages to be picked up. After this, when you have added all the details, click on check availability. Then you are going to tell if you have a dog at your address. So we don't have any dog. We're going to click on no. Then you can tell where you want to leave your packages so that the carrier can pick up from there. We mostly click on knock on door or ring bell so that we can hand over the packages directly to the carrier in hand. Then you can schedule a time for the mailman to come and pick up your packages. We mostly select the free option, as we know when the mailman be here, and we can pack our packages before that. Or if you have a lot of packages, you can schedule a specific time you want your packages to be picked up from your address. So we're going to click on the free option. We can select the date when you want the packages to be picked up. Then you can select how many packages are we picking up. For example, we add 2, and then you can add the weight for the packages. For example, we add 4, and then we click on I've read, understood, and agreed to the terms and conditions, and schedule pickup. It's going to process, and then you will get an email you added about the details that the packages would be picked up on this date, total packages, the weight, location, and the confirmation number.
Like, comment, and subscribe for more.